Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you come across this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can withdraw and deposit from your Deriv account with your phone. Payment agents are commonly used by Deriv user to fund and deposit without using card or direct bank method. A Deriv payment agent is an independent third party that helps users deposit and withdraw funds from their Deriv account. Deriv allow user to choose from different payment agents. Each agent have their withdrawal and deposit limits with their processing time. Before you make deposit to your Deriv account, first you need to contact the payment agent via their WhatsApp or their phone number. Note, never you give any agent your login detail, and always keep your transaction proof. If you are using an agent for the first time, always start with small amounts and also have your CR number. And someone will ask, what is CR number? CR number is your unique USD account that Deriv assigned to you during your time of registration. Let's go to our Deriv account and see how we can make deposit and withdrawal using our phone and payment agent. Okay, now you log into your account. And when you log into your account, you need your CR number. Your CR number is your unique USD account. So let's find our CR number. You see where we have RE at the top of the screen. You click on the drop down arrow. This is the CR number here. CR 3870286 is my CR number. So I need to contact an agent. By the left hand side, you see three lines. Click on it. Click on cashier. Click on payment agent. This is payment agent, deposit and withdrawal page. So for me to contact an agent, you will see search payment agent name, and we have all payment methods. So let's assume we don't know any agent. All we'll do is go to all payment methods, click on it. This is the list of agents we have. Any agent you click, their contact detail will pop up. But now we are searching for Vibeclip Pay. So I'll go to search by name and search for him so that we'll get their contact detail. You click on the drop down arrow. You look at it. This is the WhatsApp link and this is the phone number. Either you contact them via the phone number or the WhatsApp link. So let's go to WhatsApp. I'll click on WhatsApp. I'll redirect me to WhatsApp. Now I will contact them. Say hi. I want to fund my account. Your rate. So I'm waiting for his reply. Okay, now you copy the account number. Go to your bank app. I'm using OPay. I told you if it's your first time, you can start with small amount. Let's go with 8,000 naira. Confirm the account name. I mean the payment. Send your transaction receipt to him. You can see. Now I will send my CR number, CR 3870286, with your name. Now wait for him to fund our account. You can see here, it says funds. So let's go back to our account and check. Okay, you can see that we have $5.4 in our account now. So you want to make withdrawal, you still go back to the three line here. You click on it, click on cashier, click on payment agent. That's on the page. This time around, we are clicking on withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. So a verification may have been sent to our email. So we go to our mail to verify it. Click on your mail. Let's go there. Go down. You can see verify your withdrawal request. You click on it. This place you click on yes it's me, or you click on the link. Anyone. So I'll go back to my browser. If you click on the link, it's supposed to redirect you to your Deriv account directly. Okay, we are here. This is a withdrawal page. You type the agent by name, or you can use the CR. Now you click on the drop down arrow again. Input the amount you want to withdraw in the box here, 5.4. Continue. Now you tick this place to consider that you are the one making the request. You read everything. I confirm that I have verified the payment agent transfer information. You click on it. Click on transfer now. Now you do screenshots and send to him. You screenshot it. You send to him. Okay. Now you give him your account detail. 7034717926. OPay with your name. This is your account detail. Now you wait for payment. You can see you say paid. Now we are done with withdrawal. If you are looking for payment agent, I recommend Vibeclip Pay, which is an independent payment agent. We assist users with Deriv deposit and withdrawal, and we also provide services for buying and selling crypto and gift cards. Users are free to choose any payment agent they prefer. My details are in description and also the number displaying on the screen if you want to reach out. I hope this video help you understand how payment agents work on the Deriv. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.